Hey everyone, welcome back to 5 Things PK. By the way, sorry for the late upload. I've been really busy lately, but I'm back with another exciting video for you. Today I'll share the top 5 most profitable business ideas you can start in 2025. If you're looking for ways to build extra income or even launch a full-time business, stay tuned till the end. 1. E-commerce store. E-commerce is booming. Whether it's niche products, dropshipping, or handmade goods, people love shopping online. With platforms like Shopify, Amazon, and Etsy, you can start small and scale big. The secret is finding the right product that solves a problem or taps into a trend. 2. Digital marketing agency. Every business needs an online presence. If you know social media marketing, SEO, or paid ads, you can start a digital marketing agency with almost no upfront cost. Even solo freelancers are making great income by helping businesses get more customers online. 3. Online coaching or consulting. Do you have skills or knowledge in fitness, finance, career, or personal growth? You can package your expertise into coaching sessions, online courses, or consulting programs. With video calls and digital platforms, it's easier than ever to reach clients globally. 4. Content creation platforms like YouTube, TikTok, and blogging can be turned into serious businesses. Once you grow an audience, you can make money through ads, sponsorships, and affiliate marketing. The best part is you can build it around your passion, whether that's tech, travel, food, or lifestyle. 5. Real estate investment. You don't need millions to start. Options like rental properties, Airbnb hosting, or even real estate crowdfunding let you earn passive income. It's one of the oldest and most reliable ways to build long-term wealth. So those are the top 5 profitable business ideas for 2025. E-commerce, digital marketing, coaching, content creation, and real estate. Which of these would you try? Let me know in the comments below, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more business and money-making tips. Thanks for watching. Bye-bye, guys.